Going in Home Depot to see if we're gonna build this rack. All right. Brought in the sample. Let's see what we can do. Hey, hey. All right, let's see. 2 by 3. No. 3. No. I don't need no treated wood. None of that. Something to blaze up. See what we got here. This is about my speed right here. All right, let's see. It's good for the side panels. But the actual, I think 2 by 3. Hold on.